So this is where I stay in Bangalore. This is my room in Indiranagar. Just giving you a tour. And those are my bags that I have not unpacked after coming back from Delhi to Bangalore. Well, I'll do it. That's the way to the balcony. I'll go there. Just giving a small room tour. Real cool breeze comes through these windows in the evening and throughout the day actually. And my favorite part of this room is this window. I can sit here for like hours and watch cars and people passing by through the roads outside. Let's go there. It's a good locality in Indiranagar, Bangalore. It's about 10 to 15 minutes walk from the metro station, Indiranagar metro station, and like 5 to 7 minutes walk from that Domlur bus stop. My office is around like 15 to 20 minutes from the Domlur bus stop. It's a very good area to stay in Bangalore. It's calm. So let's go to the balcony. It's a good balcony. Yesterday it was raining in the night. I just came here and enjoyed the rain. You see, still water is there. And that's my favorite window. Just opened it. And this is the way to both that Domlur bus stop and Indiranagar metro station. Let's go outside. Hey sir, kaise ho? Just met with another person of my office, so I had to stop the video. This is another room. It has nice curtains, but it doesn't have a balcony. This is another small one. And it has really beautiful stairs. Let's go to another area. It's actually a workout area, but nowadays I don't work out that much. Like, not at all, you can say. But we dry our clothes here as well. this goes to the roof actually. So let's go to the roof. It's a small roof actually. It's a bungalow. So the slab is inclined. So the half of the building is the roof actually. And in Bangalore, you'll see in most of the houses, solar panels are kept to heat the water. So they don't waste electricity to heat the water in the time of birth. It's a very nice thing. Initial cost is high, but yeah, it's good. In Bangalore, it's there in most of the houses. It's the inclined roof. It's my room actually. This is the roof of my room. So half of it is terrace, and this is the locality. Some birds are flying. Okay, let's go back. Now let's go down. Here's another room here. And this is the common living space and dining area. It's well decorated. And there's the kitchen that way. Now let's go outside. Let's see how the building looks from outside. It's actually a villa. And this is the building. This is how it looks from outside. And this is the locality. So that was my room tour for today. Now I shall go back to my room and maybe relax. Okay, bye. See you next time. Thanks for watching.